So today I'm gonna unbox the new helmet, KYT of course. This is it. KYT NX Race. I get it in large. It was designed in Italy, made in Indonesia, I believe. It's very light, so it's a carbon helmet. The large one weighs 1,350 grams. Brand new. I really like this one, this way. So you can still add a spoiler at the back and change this, you know, for a black one. The difference this one compared to the NFR is, as you don't have the second visor inside, the double visor, they managed to put a vent on top. So that would be good actually when it's very hot, like at the moment. I'm gonna fit the GoPro one first. So this is why it's good, it's not like the AGV like this, you know. I really like when it's like that. I'm gonna put the GoPro other one, I'm gonna leave it for 24 hours like that. So after a few hours riding with the helmet, I think it's comfortable. So far it's very light, I don't feel like anything heavy, you know. So let's break it down. I have 4 different helmets in my life. One Shark, it was like 20 years ago. 2 shoei, NFR KYT, and this one. This one is probably the lightest one, is the carbon, you know. It's very light, comfortable, yes. Now from shoei is Japanese, obviously made in Japan. It's good quality. KYT is designed, this one is designed in Italy and is made in Indonesia. It's exactly the same quality as shoei. If you check inside, a brand new shoei and a brand new KYT is exactly the same quality inside. You can take your KYT and you go to motor market or whatever the place you're gonna go. Check inside, the quality is exactly the same. So there's no double visor on this one compared to the NFR. There's no wind noise compared to the NFR also. There's slightly wind noise with the NFR, but it doesn't really bother me, to be honest. Don't get me wrong, I love the NFR, especially the dual visor. It's great. Now this one doesn't have it, but it's still comfortable. There's a vent in the middle now. Because you don't have the double visor, they can add the vent in the middle. For me, it's good quality for the price. Retail is 16,000 pesos. Now you can get it from Alpinestars in Quezon City. So Alpinestars just opened a shop in Quezon City, and I'll put the address in the description. I've already been visiting them. So after visiting them, they get in contact with me and they offer me to review a helmet. Because they saw I was already using KYT, they said, would you like to review the NXR Race Carbon? So I was like, yeah, sure. Why should I say no, right? So this review is not a pay review, it's not an ad or anything, but they gave me it, so I give it a chance. Obviously, you know, I'm not gonna lie, you know, it's nice, and I'm not gonna be like, oh, this is completely crap. For me, if I didn't like it, actually I would have give it back, and I would have say I don't do any review instead of, you know, doing a bad review. So thanks to Charlie Young and Peter Young for letting me review this helmet. No, seriously, it's very very good. I like it so far. So nothing much. There's a double D to attach it. Is a double D. I really like it compared to the other one because I think the other one is not really safe. The double D lock is perfect. So you open the screw. Oh shit, it's not good anymore. Normally it's really good, and then you can just, how do you call this? You can just masticate, but they used before 2018 November. So now I cannot use anymore because you see it's very normally it should be a mastic, but I'm gonna, this is very light. So this is why I use to glue, because it's not completely, and it's still moving a little bit. So take the screw, you open it, be careful to the date, because if you run out of the date it gets very very hard and then you cannot use it anymore. Oh my god, don't tell me it's happening. Why is it like that? Again. Okay. Gear house, thank you for this. It is now midnight. Okay, this is the screw. This is how you put it. So you mastic it first, and then you're gonna put it between. He has this weird smell, you know, but it's okay. So you mastic well and then you put it between. So thank you to Gear House again for giving me this one. This is for sale for 250 pesos, and this is what you want to be like this. So then you put it in there and you put all the one. So it's now Saturday night, midnight, and I really want to use this for Monday morning. So that's why I'm doing this now. So it's gonna have 24 hours to settle, and then on Monday morning I can use and finally make the review of this helmet. Okay, so this is the way I do it. It might not be a great job for some people, but for me I'm pretty happy with this. For me the main thing is safety to not lose the GoPro, you know, in middle of the road. Finally, after how many attempts to this is done, I can finally ride with this. Very excited. I called those guys at 1 p.m. I messaged them, and at 5 p.m. they delivered in BGC. They were in Pasig, just check them. That's it. Tapos. I can go to sleep now, 1 a.m.